Palawan New Rich Builders. Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors naman will have Baldomero, Nonato, Bonzalida, How, and Mejia to round. Nonato getting the ball back from Baldomero. Nonato pa rin. Jumper. Almost an end one. Masasabitan from behind ni guard Dulana. Grown before my eyes. Literally. No? And figuratively, of course, kasama na natin.
Dahil sabi mo nga, season 1 pa lang nandito na siya. So ngayon, inaani na daman mo yun. Lalo yung, sabihin na natin yung kaba. Yung excitement, nandoon talaga. Pero after mga ilang runs, ilang balik mo, medyo magiging okay ka na dyan. Makukuha mo na yung kumpiyansa.
Sean How! Safe to say, okay na siya. Nakuha na nga niya ang kumpiyansa niya. Hitting ability. 58 3-pointers nga, as we mentioned during pregame. As Dolanas finally gives the first 2 points here para sa Palawan New Rich Builders. Ganyan ba naman yung hairstyle mo dyan eh? Talagang makaka-recover ka. Speaking of recovery, Martin Mejia gets a bucket para sa makabagong San Juan. Zalida inside, Mejia. Fouled by Binagatan and make that an end one, Martin Mejia.
Napakaganda ng play na yun dahil nakikita nila yung mga advantage nila dun sa kanilang mga big man sa ilalim.
Of course, that move, bro.
Para dito sa lineup na to. Ngayon, no, si Ugadan dahil hindi lang siya big, kaya niya rin tumira sa labas. So, talagang may advantage itong makabagong San Juan na to dito sa game na to ngayon.
Baldomero. That penetration, finishing with his offhand. Ups the lead back to 8, 12-4. Salinhog. Now Rosales. Drives to the basket. Fouled by Baldomero. Second team foul para sa Mighty Warriors. This time, Kurt Velasquez now in.
Nakikita naman natin sa kanila na gustong-gusto nila na makakuha ng puntos dito. At as we see, kakasabi ko lang kanina, ito
go to the middle, Mejia. Battling his way through for 2. Taking a foul will be whistled against Kirby Bourbon, I believe.
Gadan dun. Talagang kitang-kita yung advantage dun.
Once again,
na talaga kailangan ipakita yun. Dapat gusto mo makakuha ng champion.
very slow start though para dito sa Palawan. Nodalo trying to change that. Just there's 6 para kay Andre Ugadan. Yutok on the attack. Drops it off. Mejia for another basket. Ting sa loob.
I think alam naman na niya bago pa dumating dito sa game natin na to na kung ano yung advantage. Wala ka na magagawa. Talagang sure ball na.
9 points now para kay Martin. Dulanas answers para sa Palawan. Sa makabagong San Juan. Ang pumalit naman, Ram Sharma. So talagang yung malaki, mas lumaki pa nga ata. On the reverse, Velasquez gets the roll. Come long on that 3-pointer. About a 6-second shot clock, game clock difference. Corpuzzo will get his first 3-pointer. Deadly.
Dahil medyo lumalayo na itong makabagong San Juan.
La Rosa, one dribble in. Knocks down the jumper. At dyan nga matatapos ang ating unang yugto. 26-13. A 13-point lead para sa makabagong San Juan. Binagatan. Goes underneath. Velasquez. Kick out. Binagatan is open. And knocks down the triple. First, 10 seconds though on their shot clock. Ugadan. The pull-up. Off. Sharma though will clean it up. It's back high on Corpus with a board. Couple of empty possessions here for both teams. This time it's Velasquez open for 3 and siya naman ang makakahulog.
Kanina.
This is quite a run para dito sa Palawan New Rich Builders to begin the second period. Capped off. Corpus. Look at that move. Gets the end one, Jim Corpus.
That was a great move.
Kahit ako nahilo, nawala ako dun sa galaw na yon. This move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Billy Garedi, champions. Nato finding power on the roll. Back to a double-digit lead. 32-22 as we approach the 4-minute mark. Here in the second, Dulanas able to... Ball tipped. Stolen away by Velasquez. The easy two. Shot too strong. Zamoras nagmamadali. Attacks Reroma. Finishes off the glass for two.
Six-stop galing dito sa San Juan.
Radan gets the ball tapped away. Recovers. Completes the layup. Max 1 na nga eh. No? Ganun ka-threat itong si Louie Rosales. You don't really want him to get him... you don't want...
Pumutok na siya, talagang makikita nitong Palawan. Naluluwag yung opensa nila.
Maluwag din ang dinaanan doon ni guard Dulanas. Sometime, take another look at that move from guard Dulanas. Already has 8 points so far dito sa ating ball game. Final 29.8 seconds. Here in our first pass stolen away. Final 2 seconds now. They have to put it up. This will count if it goes. The heat won't fall. At dyan na nga matatapos ang ating first half after being down by as much as 14 points. Fourth Division champions, makabagong San Juan. Napaaray after that replay.
Mararamdaman mo talaga.
Corpuz, the attack once again. Binitin pa. Daming pinapa. Now Nonato. Force his way through. Still able to finish. And talking about Louie Rosales, ito yung galaw kanina ni Dwayne Nonato. Parang ang sikip na. Ba't nahanapan pa rin ang paraan?
Ngayon, balikan natin yung sinabi mo kanina no, na kailangan na niya makapuntos dito dahil siya yung main man. Kumbaga, so...
Lawan New Rich Builders. La Rosa to the corner. Yutok, specialty of the house. Flashes it para sa makabagong San Juan. Sharma. Siya na rin magtatawid. A 3-on-1. La Rosa dropping it off. Ugadan will show us his own version of a slam. Just like that, alagwa muli itong makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors from Ram Sharma, and this time from Andre Ugadan. Excellent drop pass from La Rosa. It's 45-37 with 5 and 16 remaining dito sa ating third. 7 to shoot. Nodalo left all alone. Knocks down the triple.
Sa opensa na yun.
Yutok babawi ba? Does so! His second three-pointer here in the third quarter. Hindi mo rin talaga pwedeng iwan ng bukas. Itong si Yutok. Ups the lead back to 8, 48-40. Velasquez dropping it off. Dulanas off the glass.
Offense by this Velasquez no, na ina-attract niya yung opensa.
So Gadan naiwan sa loob. And ano naman yung pasa na yun from Ram Sharma, that big-to-big action na sinasabi mo nga dyan, that makabagong San Juan. Hands it off to Nonato, trying to get it to Andre, stepping in, almost making the basket. Sharma with a putback.
That was a great putback by putback.
Gadan finds an open Sean Howe. Triple will fall. Sean Howe is second of the ball game. Three-pointer number 5 para sa... Look at that pass from Andre Ugadan. Draws the defense. Alam niya rin, no? Kung saan pumipwesto nga itong si Sean Howe. And the 2-3-point one. Roma. Now Sharma, nakabuelo na naman! And look at that slam! It's second of the ball. So lang talaga dyan.
May tao sa harap. Grabe. Iba talaga pagka meron kang mga ganyang players sa team mo.
How once again his third triple of the ball game.
Ang flow ng opensa. Ito nga makabagong San Juan galing dun sa dunk na yun ni Sharma.
Finally, and they get the steal. Bourbon ahead of the pack. Back-to-back baskets para kay Kirby Bourbon. Final 20 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Pass stolen by Corpuz. There's still some time left. A second remaining. Corpuz will get another basket para sa you. Habol as we look at some highlights brought to us by Chef's Magic. And despite Luis Rosales scoreless so far dito sa ating ball game, it's been the others para sa Palawan carrying the scoring load. Sean Howe, 3-pointers working. He had 2 here in the third quarter. And look at this slam from Ram Sharma. So athletic. The crowd erupting, celebrating that slam dunk. In this game number 1 of our 18 under national finals. Extra pass, Yutok open once more. His favorite spot on the floor, Brandon Yutok. Third 3-pointer. Gets it to Dulanas. Blocked by Yutok, recovers, cleans it up himself.
Kung mapapansin mo, yung depensa nitong makabagong San Juan ay 1-3-1. Talagang sinisikipan nila itong depensa dito sa Palawan Builders. At as you see, hinahantay mo kanina pa.
That could get him going. It's Luis Rosales, averaging 20 points isa sa torneo natin so far.
As a player. Gentlemen.
Maraming salamat, Nicole. As we see this Velasquez reverse. But going back to that report ni Nicole, John, no, yung mental toughness. As a jump ball is called. Possession arrow will be para sa makabagong San Juan Mighty. Donato finds Yutok. Siya naman ang susubok. Dwayne Nonato. 3-pointer earlier from Dwayne Nonato. Balik nga sa double digit ng kalamangan. Jim Corpuz. Gonzali down to 9. Velasquez to set it up. Corpuz finds an opening and this finger roll will fall. Jim Corpuz with 3:33 remaining. Take another look at that move from Jim Corpuz against 2 white shirts. Trying to inch Palawan closer as we have this Mahari alongside Nicole. Bring you the action mula dito sa Chiang Kai-shek College in Manila. La Rosa got trapped and the steal para kay guard Dulanas. Touchdown!
That was a great defense. Full court defense by Palawan.
Game number 1. Kakay back in the ball game para sa Palawan. This is Velasquez. Stepping through, gets fouled and the bucket. Kurt Velasquez.
Makikita mo dito yung anticipation.
Ugadan will pull up, gets fouled by Rosales. It's a bailout call if I ever saw one, John.
Panira pa. So mabibigyan ng 2 free throw itong si Ugadan.
The first was a 6-point ball game. 2 for 2. Trying to get that offensive rebound. Finds Binagatan underneath. Got the lead down to 4.
Pwede pa. Pwede pa to. Mahaba pa sa
Makabagong San Juan. Sila naman ang tatawag ng timeout dito. Dulanas able to find Perth Binagatan. 22.2 seconds remaining.
Makakuha ka dito ng quick steal. Pag wala, yun na. Sinasabi ko, kakasabi ko pa lang.
That is the quick steal na hinahanap nga dito ng Palawan. Corpuz nagmamadali sa kabila. Corpuz pa rin. Sidestep maneuver. His shot too strong. Rebound. Makukuha ni Ugadan. Final 7 seconds as Andre is fouled. Sinking the first is Andre Ugadan, making it a 5-point runs para dito sa makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. 2 for 2. Palawan will burn. Velasquez. Triggering it inbound. Goes to Zamora. He will fire for 3. Not too strong. Rebound Sharma. As the time will expire and it will be the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors drawing first blood dito sa ating best of 3 series. 74-68. Lamang.
At yun nga lang, sabi mo nga, laging may sagot itong makabagong San Juan sa kanilang opensa. Kaya medyo nalalayo nila ulit yung kalamangan every time na lumalapit itong team ng Palawan Builders.
Of course, magkikita pa itong parehong koponan na to, John, in game number 2 tomorrow sa Paco Arena naman. So, agaran yung